The Atayurt Association from Kazakhstan is known for its commitment to the oppressed minority of Uyghurs in China. On March 9, 4 unknown persons invaded a conference in the Atayurt Association to speak out threats against the members. Shortly thereafter they fled, where one of the perpetrators was caught by the police. Serikcan Bidashoglu, president of the association, was already threatened in advance by unknown people. Still, he claimed that happenings like these will not intimidate the association's members because in the worst-case scenario, one would die as a martyr. In the Chinese city of Zhengzhou, supplier for Apple producer Foxconn attracted attention due to discriminatory formulations in a job vacancy. The ad explicitly excluded Hui Chinese, Uyghurs, and Tibetans from the job offer. The Foxconn Group has now ordered an investigation. In addition, the group stated that the responsible will have to reckon with consequences. Following Venezuela's nationwide power failure debacle, the country's government is now blaming the US under the leadership of US Secretary of State Pompeo for it. The situation in Venezuela is becoming more and more unpleasant for the citizens. Despite the tense situation, Juan Guaido called his people for a march to Caracas. The oppositionists' march, however, was stopped by security forces. After 20 years in office, President Abdelaziz Bouteflika announced his participation in the upcoming presidential election. Shortly thereafter, heavy protests took place in Algeria because the opponents of Bouteflika refer to the poor health of the 81-year-old president, who is currently being treated in a Geneva clinic. During the protests in the capital, there were 112 injured police forces and 195 injured protesters. In order to ensure better protection of the external borders, the European Union transmitted 70 armored vehicles to Bulgaria, which according to the Minister of the Interior should have a value of 3.6 million euros. These are to be positioned close to the border with the non-EU countries like Turkey, Serbia and Macedonia.